In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zotero for referencing. If you're new to Zotero, it's a free reference manager that helps you collect sources and format citations with just a few clicks. Let's walk through a simple, reliable way to add a reference using an identifier so your entry is complete and correctly structured. Start by opening Zotero on your computer. You'll see your library on the left, your item list in the middle, and the details pane on the right. At the top, look for the New Item option. This is where you tell Zotero what kind of source you're adding. Click New Item, then choose the type that best matches your source, such as book, document, or article. Picking the right type matters because it determines which fields Zotero expects and how it formats the reference later. Next, find the identifier tool. This lets Zotero fetch full metadata for you, which saves a lot of typing and reduces errors. Click into the identifier field to get it ready. Now switch to your web browser and open the page for the source you want to reference. For medical and life science articles, look for the PMID, which stands for PubMed ID. It's usually a short string of numbers on the article's PubMed page. Carefully highlight and copy the PID. If you're working with other kinds of sources, identifiers like a DOI for journal articles or an ISBN for books can serve the same purpose, but in this walkthrough we'll use a PMID. Go back to Zotero, paste the PMID into the identifier field, and press enter. Zotero will reach out to the appropriate database and pull in the full details. Title, authors, journal or publisher, year, volume, pages names, and more. This usually takes just a moment. Make sure you're connected to the internet so the lookup works. Once the item appears, take a few seconds to review the fields in the right-hand pane. Check author names, capitalization in the title, the journal name, and the publication date. Small corrections here will save you time later when you generate your bibliography. If something looks off, you can edit any field directly. If the lookup fails, confirm you copied only the numeric PMID without extra spaces. That's it. You've added a properly structured reference to your Zotero library using an identifier. From here, you can add tags or notes to keep your library organized. And when you're ready to write, Zotero's plugins can format in-text citations and bibliographies in your chosen style automatically.